Peeling and eating a blue crab can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here's a step-by-step guide. What you'll need: cooked blue crab, steamed or boiled, a crab mallet, knife, or cracker, optional for claws, napkins or a hand washing station, it gets messy, step-by-step instructions. Remove the claw's twist and pull off the claws and legs from the body. Set them aside to eat later. Open the crab shell. Turn the crab on its back and locate the apron, a small triangular flap. Lift the apron with your fingers or a knife, then pull it off. Insert your thumb between the top shell and the body and pry off the top shell. Discard it. Remove the inedible parts. Scrape away the gills, feathery, spongy structures on both sides of the body. Remove the yellowish mustard, crab fat, if you don't like it, though some people enjoy its flavor. Break the body in half, snap the body in half to make it easier to access the meat. Pick out the meat. Use your fingers or a small seafood pick to pull out the white, flaky meat from the chambers. Eat the claws. Crack the claws using a mallet or cracker. Gently pull out the meat, being careful not to splinter the shell. Enjoy! Dip the meat in melted butter, vinegar, Old Bay seasoning, or your preferred sauce. Work over a covered surface, like newspaper or a disposable tablecloth. Use patience. Blue crab meat is delicious but takes time to extract. Discard all shell fragments. It's a joyful meal. Blue crabs fight each other primarily due to competition for resources and territorial behavior. Common reasons are food competition. Blue crabs are opportunistic feeders, and fights often break out when multiple crabs target the same food source. Territorial defense. They establish territories, especially in areas with good shelter or abundant food. Intruders are often met with aggression. Mating rivalry. Male blue crabs may fight over access to a receptive female during mating season. Molting vulnerability. Newly molted crabs are soft and defenseless, so other crabs might attack them either to establish dominance or as a food source. Crowding in captivity. In farming or aquaculture, High stocking density can increase aggression due to limited space and resources.